Yo! Alright, so today I'm working on my spindles, rotors. So pretty much it was off camera, I didn't record it. But, so pretty much what I did was I installed an integra spindle. I think this is LS, I'm not too sure. If I find it, I'll put it in the description. Integra spindle. And then I am running ITR front calipers. Look at these big boys. So in order for you to run these, you're going to need the integra ones. They have the holes that align with that for the caliper to sit. And then also Mini Cooper rotors. I'll leave that all in the description for you guys. And then for this setup, I'll be running for brake packs. I was reading the best fit to have for these. I went ahead and got Extreme rotors. Let me just close it up and show you guys a little bit better. These are the ones I went with. I got these on eBay. It was like $70 or something like that, but my buddy joined these and they've been great for him, so I decided to go with these. These are TSX calipers, and I read that they have the best fitment for what you get. So you have integra spindle. Oh, and by the way, sorry, you're going to have to adjust the brake dust shield cover. You're going to have to cut on the sides here because it'll touch the rotor, and mine was beat up pretty bad, so I had to really chop it up pretty good. But you have to cut this section here. I apologize for the lighting, and down here too for it to clear the actual caliper. And then I had to cut a little bit on the bottom because as I sit the rotor, it rubs the dust shield, and then. You also want to run these right here. You don't have to, but I would suggest to do it, to be honest. So these right here are pretty much like the spacers that go in between the gap that you leave on the board, on the circumference of the rotor. Let me show you. So first of all, I got these on eBay. I think it was like $40 or $35. It's a good addition to have. And I'm pretty sure, I think these are made out of steel, I'm not too sure. But I know some of them do rust, but I'm not too sure this one's one that rusted or doesn't rust. So that's all good. Alright, so put them like that, and then these right here are the spacers from the gap that leaves because the diameter of these studs are a lot smaller than the one from the Mini Cooper. So they made this. I don't know who came up with this, but this is genius. And essentially all it does is just goes in there, and then it fills in that void, that space, and then it just equals it out. So it's a good addition. So if I was you guys, I'll go ahead definitely invest in these. Alright, so I'm not going to bore you guys. I'm going to go ahead and start knocking these down. Beat me up.
Come here. Fine, I'm not going to beat you up.
There you go. So, if you have any questions, I apologize for the lighting. It is getting dark here. I have poor lighting in the garage. But if you have any questions regarding the setup, gladly to answer them. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.
What's up, everybody? So something else that I was going to add on to the front brake conversion is you're going to have to run a bigger proportion valve, and that's I think that's a 40/40 opposed to this one, which I took off, which is a stock one from the 92 Civic, and this is in here somewhere. Is a saw it somewhere. Either way, this is not the correct one. This will not run your setup, and then also you're gonna have to get a big master cylinder, brake master cylinder. This is I think it's either 40/40 or 16/16. Either one of them. It's like that. I'll just double check, but you're gonna have to get a bigger one and a bigger proportion valve, bigger brake master cylinder. So that's also going to help out with these big bad boys, ITR calipers, and not just that, but it's also going to provide enough PSIs for your rear caliper. And keep in mind, this Civic right here did not come with rear brake calipers. I converted them from original SI, EGSI, same chassis. So yeah. You're gonna have to upgrade that if you're upgrading these, so just letting you know. And then update on the front calipers, they're all assembled like you saw in the video, but I went ahead and cleaned off the bolts because they're full of grease, old grease, and put cotter pins on all of them. You can see the, I don't know if you can see the lower ball joint one. There you go. So yep, and I did the same for the other side as well. Now it's just a matter of bleeding the brakes, and you're all set to go. By the way, make sure you bench bleed the brake master cylinder, obviously before you install it. I did that. Bought a kit on Amazon, and that was pretty helpful, and that's how I was able to bench bleed it. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, hit me up. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and I'll link everything in the description to help you guys. So yeah, catch you later, guys.